Today is October 4, 2023. Our reflection is entitled Answering the Call with Wholehearted Dedication. First reading according to Nehemiah chapter 2, 1-8. In the month Nisan of the 20th year of King Artaxerxes, when the wine was in my charge, I took some and offered it to the king. As I had never before been sad in his presence. The king asked me, "Why do you look sad? If you are not sick, you must be sad at heart." Though I was seized with great fear, I answered the king, "May the king live forever. How could I not look sad when the city where my ancestors are buried lies in ruins, and its gates have been eaten out by fire?" The king asked me, "What is it, then, that you wish?" I prayed to the God of heaven. And then answered the king, "If it please the king, and if your servant is deserving of your favor, send me to Judah, to the city of my ancestors' graves, to rebuild it." Then the king, and the queen seated beside him, asked me how long my journey would take and when I would return. I set a date that was acceptable to him, and the king agreed that I might go. I asked the king further, "If it please the king, let letters be given to me for the governors of west of Euphrates, that they may afford me safe conduct till I arrive in Judah. Also a letter for Asaph, the keeper of the royal park, that he may give me wood for timbering the gates of the temple citadel and for the city wall and the house that I shall occupy." The king granted my requests, for the favoring hand of my God was upon me. Holy Gospel of Jesus Christ according to St. Luke chapter 9, 57-62. As Jesus and his disciples were proceeding on their journey, someone said to him, "I will follow you wherever you go." Jesus answered him, "Foxes have dens and birds of the sky have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to rest his head." And to another he said, "Follow me." But he replied, "Lord, let me go first and bury my father." But he answered him, "Let the dead bury their dead. But you, go and proclaim the kingdom of God." And another said, "I will follow you, Lord, but first let me say farewell to my family at home." Jesus answered him, "No one who sets a hand to the plow and looks to what was left behind is fit for the kingdom of God." In today's readings, we are reminded of the significance of answering the call of the divine with unwavering dedication and wholehearted commitment. Nehemiah's story, as he seeks permission from the king to rebuild Jerusalem, exemplifies the courage and determination required to fulfill a divine purpose. The gospel passage tells of individuals who express their willingness to follow Jesus, but with conditions and reservations. Jesus, however, reminds them of the demands of discipleship, emphasizing that following him requires total commitment and unwavering dedication. As we reflect on these readings, we're prompted to examine our own response to God's call in our lives. Are we, like Nehemiah, willing to embark on God's mission with wholehearted dedication, even in the face of challenges and uncertainties? Or, like those in the gospel, do we have reservations and conditions attached to our commitment? Let us heed the call with wholehearted dedication, knowing that God's purpose for us demands unwavering commitment and trust. Today, I will reflect on my response to God's call in my life. Am I holding back or setting conditions on my commitment to his purpose? Inspired by Nehemiah's courage, I will embrace God's call with wholehearted dedication, leaving behind reservations and following him with unwavering trust and commitment. If you found this video meaningful, I invite you to show your support by hitting the like, subscribe and share button, as this will help us reach more people with these reflections. Together, we can create a community that seeks wisdom and spiritual growth.